Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper Spain. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Kia Sportage LX, stock reference number 4589. This shape runs from the 8th month 2007 through to the 6th month 2010. It has a G4GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front. We have the left-hand headlight, does have light sun cracks. Left fog light with surround. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for a tow bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Tailgate has 1 small dent. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a large dent on the rear edge. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a leather center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.